Do not eat bread, make this breakfast quick and easy. To start this recipe, we will need 2 bananas. I'm cutting off the tips of them so that it's easier to remove the peel. Next, I will make a cut in the middle of the bark. Tell me how you like to use bananas in your home, I'd love to know. After removing the peel, I will cut the bananas into slices. Do it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. I will transfer them to a plate and with the help of a fork knead very well. It's really amazing once you're done. Now in a container I will add 2 eggs. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Jimmy Nadell from the United States. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Let's put the mashed banana inside the container along with the eggs. I'm sure you'll get into your routine, just like you got into mine. I'll add 2 tablespoons of oat. I doubt you've done anything like this before. In a pan, I will put some olive oil. It doesn't have to be much, just enough to keep our recipe from sticking. I'll put another banana cut into slices inside the pan. Next, we will put the egg mixture we made inside the pan over the cut banana. Let's cover and cook for 10 minutes. After this time, with the help of a dish, I will turn our recipe to cook equally on both sides. I'm sure you'll come back here to thank me for teaching you how to do it. Again, I will cover the pan and cook for 5 minutes. And our recipe was already ready. Look what delight was. I'll put some cinnamon powder on top of everything, but that part is to taste. It's a great option to do on days you don't have much time to cook. Perfect to ensure an unconventional and very delicious breakfast. You will never want to buy bread again after learning how to make this recipe. When I do, I never have anything left, because it is really very difficult to eat just one piece. I'm sure even your friends will ask you to teach. It's really impressive. There is no reason not to. It is very easy, practical, and fast. All this using only a few ingredients present in everyday life. It's certainly one of the best breakfast options I've ever had in my life. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.